Today's video I'm going to be putting a set of hand guards on a 2024 Nightster Special. I actually talked to the dealership. They recommended doing the hand guard instead of doing heated grips because they said hand guard's always there, and the heated grips, some people like them, some people don't. And he didn't have any there, but he just said look up some reviews online and make your best guess. So I ordered this set off eBay, and they actually got one installed on the right side right now, and we're gonna do the left side real quick. It actually consists of just using 3 bolts. There's one on the end here that's a T45. You end up just popping this off. They give you a spacer that goes on your old bolt. Now I say that, looks like I may have to hold. There's another bolt behind here that may have to get held. Oh, there we go. There's a screw here that can be undone, and the end of the grip appears that it can unbolt also, because this will unscrew too. You put your spacer on the bolt and reuse the same bolt going back through. The other 2 screws that you're going to pull out are these 2 right here. They are T30s. This just will snap over the top of that spacer you put on. And when you take these bolts loose, you will loosen up your clutch lever. So just make sure you hold it or put it back in the same position you had it, or adjust it to whatever new position you want. You may have to bend this grip around just a little bit. It's just thin metal to get it where you want it. And basically even up the 2 sides, tighten it in place, and you're done. And that's basically what it's going to look like from the front of the bike.